Welcome to Coxie's Picks. If you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy. Hello everyone. Up next for all to see is an Era 4-lever Old English padlock. I never knew Era made these, so when I saw it, I just had to have it. The mechanism is nice and smooth. The tool I'm going to use is my tweaked lever padlock kit from UK Lockpickers. There are no false gates, but the levers are very stiff and this makes it awkward to detect the binding lever. However, it soon opens. Stay safe everyone, and I will see you all in the next video.